The 2025 Ford Mustang GT is a powerful and stylish American muscle car that continues the long tradition of the Mustang name. It comes with a 5.0-liter V8 engine, which delivers strong performance and an aggressive exhaust note that many car lovers appreciate. This engine is naturally aspirated, meaning it doesn't use a turbocharger or supercharger, and it still manages to produce around 480 to 500 horsepower, depending on the version. This makes it fast on the road, with the ability to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4 seconds. The Mustang GT is available with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 10-speed automatic, giving drivers the option to choose how they want to experience the drive. The manual transmission is more engaging and appeals to purists, while the automatic is quicker and more convenient, especially in traffic. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, which is typical for performance cars and provides a more thrilling driving experience, especially when accelerating quickly or taking sharp turns. In terms of design, the 2025 Mustang GT has a modern and aggressive look. The front end features a bold grille and sleek headlights with a futuristic touch. The body has sculpted lines and a muscular stance, which gives it a strong presence on the road. At the back, there are signature tri-bar taillights and a quad-tip exhaust that not only looks sporty but also sounds powerful. The car's overall shape still keeps the classic Mustang identity while looking fresh and modern for a new generation. Inside, the cabin of the 2025 Mustang GT is more high-tech and driver-focused than ever before. It comes with a large digital instrument cluster and a new touchscreen infotainment system that uses the latest software from Ford. This system supports features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and various customizable settings for driving modes and performance. The materials inside have been upgraded too, with options for leather seats, aluminum trim, and other premium touches, depending on the trim level. The Mustang GT is not only about speed and looks, it also offers advanced safety features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. While it's not a luxury car, the Mustang GT offers a good balance between everyday comfort and exciting performance. Whether driving it on city streets or taking it to the track, it delivers a thrilling experience that few cars in its price range can match. Overall, the 2025 Ford Mustang GT keeps the spirit of the muscle car alive while adding modern technology and improved comfort. It's designed for people who enjoy driving and want a car that stands out in terms of power, design, and heritage. With its powerful V8 engine, sharp looks, and updated interior, it remains one of the most iconic and fun-to-drive sports cars available today.